Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'll show you how to use the DramaBox app, a popular platform for short-form dramas and bite-sized storytelling. Let's get started. DramaBox is a mobile app offering short serialized dramas in a chat-style format developed by Storymetric. It features genres like romance, thriller, and mystery. With over 1,000 series and 30 million active users worldwide, it's a go-to app for quick and engaging stories. Now, to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, search DramaBox on the search bar at the top of the page, and after the icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open it up. Once open, sign up using your phone number or email. Allow location access for personalized content. On the home screen, scroll through featured dramas or tap discover your genres. Here at the top of the page, you can explore right here and find anything you want. Tap a drama to view episode list, synopsis and episode duration. Tap an episode to start watching. Use play, pause, skip and volume controls. Tap back to return to the episode list or explore more content. Then to earn coins or watch reel, 30-second video. Watch ads to earn coins for unlocking episodes. Enjoy ad-free viewing and unlimited access. And tap earn coins. Complete tasks like watching ads or sharing the ad. Then tap on profile to view your watch history. Here's the profile tab at the bottom of the page on your right, so tap on that to watch history, favorites and coin balance. Then tap settings to adjust video quality, enable subtitles in various languages, manage notifications and privacy settings. DramaBox offers free access, but its legality may vary by region. Always use legal streaming platforms when possible. Watching in HD consumes more data. Consider adjusting quality settings if on a limited plan. And that is how you can use the DramaBox app. Discover, watch and enjoy short-form dramas anytime. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on which app tutorial you want next. Thank you for watching. Bye.